If you still think that LinkedIn is only for job seekers and in this 2020, you are very wrong. I'm about to give you 5 different things you can see LinkedIn as, and these 5 things are things that you will see right on the app. The 5 things that LinkedIn currently are includes a place to learn, a place to network, and a place to share stories. Also, as you're sharing the stories, you're building your influence, and you also have the option of truly getting a job. Yeah, back to that, getting a job also. It was during the time that mainly job seekers, or let me say professionals, it was mainly the time when professionals were on LinkedIn. That's when we used to think of LinkedIn as a platform for professionals only, or maybe for job seekers, because you come online to build your audience. For the few people that could build the audience, then you build the audience, but with a major target of getting employed or building, generating leads for your business. But in 2020, we no longer have only professionals on LinkedIn. We now have both the professionals, the creatives, and those in the academic field. And because of this, you now have a situation whereby there are persons who are there for academic reasons to share their learnings and their successes on LinkedIn. The creatives, they are there to teach many other creative forms of art, not maybe even beyond art, even bringing out the creative part of the professional field that he or she, the person may be in. So you see a situation whereby once you're on LinkedIn, you are seeing a variety of things. You are seeing both the academic details, you are seeing job opportunities and job postings related to that. You're also seeing the creatives who are doing wonderful things. I know I've spoken word artists on LinkedIn and so many of them, so it's now an open platform. Don't take yourself back. The first time you open your LinkedIn app, you get on the LinkedIn feed. And this is where the learning happens, because by reading through the post of other people, you get to see what they think. You get to know what they think. You learn from them. You learn from the ideas and the ideas that they give. By reading these things, you know what somebody thinks, the new ideas and facts that could help you. This is where you get to learn them from. The next tab to it will be the networking tab, where you get to see your network. This is where you build more network, because it's on this tab that you get to connect with more persons. You get to see more persons who you could connect with, and even find more, let me say, more features. As it is right now, you have newsletters that you could follow, and you have brands and events that you could follow. So this is where the networking part happens, trying to connect with people. That's what you have on the second part. On the third part, where all of us, most of us, especially those who are active on LinkedIn, enjoy the most, that's where you get to post your content. This is where storytelling lives. Because if you want to tell your stories, sharing your stories and sharing what you know, it's on this tab that you get to start the journey. Once you're on the posting tab, you have the option of making your post in either in the text format, the video, or whatever format you wish to. And this helps you to share your stories in your own unique way, without being bothered about what any other person is doing. Once you have that your unique story, you tell it your way. The next tab is the notification tabs. We see it as normal for everybody, but that's actually where you get a measure of your influence. That doesn't define how far you've gone, but at least it helps you to know, okay, this is what the reach of what you are doing is. You'll be able to have a metric to measure with the impact you're trying to make, because by seeing your likes, your comments, and the reach of your post, you get to know whether you are making impact or not. The last part, which is the favorite and what LinkedIn was originally made for, the job hunting tab. This is where you get all the job opportunities around you, and with the beautiful filters, you get the opportunity to actually filter the job opportunities to your location, and even to the particular career that you want to be found for. Like, if I want to be found as a graphic designer, I can search for graphic designer roles within Nigeria, as I am right now. So this is where it lives. The LinkedIn app is no longer an app for just job seekers. It's now an app for the job seekers, the creatives, and the academic. Everybody has a space right now on LinkedIn. and I wonder why you are not yet here. Now that you know all these things, I believe that you will now be interested in joining the LinkedIn app if you've not already joined. And for this, I would ask you, please do subscribe to my channel, for I will always be updating you on more hints that could help you go through LinkedIn. If you have hints that will help you understand what LinkedIn is for, how to use it, and how best to take advantage of all the features within LinkedIn. I look forward to seeing your subscription to my channel. Thank you very much. Let's say this is my first official YouTube video, so give it a thumbs up. Thank you.